You might be wondering why this video starts with music instead of a product review, a sales pitch, or one of those gimmicky product teardowns. Simple. Because when something's built right, it has a rhythm. It's smooth under load. It hits hard when it needs to. And it never sounds fake. Anyone can sell noise. We design and sell harmony. Bring us the best DIY off-grid solar quote you've got, your strongest, most competitive offer, and watch us crush it. We'll beat it with higher quality, longer lasting, higher performance, top name brand equipment, and still deliver a price no dealer can touch.
Lights go out, but not for me. I'm powered up endlessly. Wires and meters are history. Sunlight's free, and so am I. High electric bills, say goodbye. DIY Solar.com saves the day. Blackouts fade and bills go away. Power's mine in every way. DIY Solar.com, hey, hey. Hey, hey. Solar.com, hey, hey.
We use only the finest inverters, switchgear, and batteries in our DIY battery backup systems. Our inverters are built with heavy-duty output transformers, making them far more resistant to failure caused by lightning strikes and high inrush current exposure than the high-frequency transformerless units everyone else is pushing. And because our systems are engineered around true low-frequency iron core transformer-based inverters, built on a proven American design, you never have to worry about damaging your home's appliances the way lightweight transformerless designs can. This system also includes high-quality, easily installed Integra Rack ground mount solar racks. No concrete footings, no post-pounding, and no earth augers needed. So easy to install that you can complete the installation of 10 solar modules in just under 100 minutes. Proudly made in the USA with US-sourced aircraft-grade aluminum.